Did you hear about the Relay Bank pricing update for 2026? As a small business owner who relies on Relay for managing multiple cash flow buckets, my first question was, how is this going to impact my bottom line, and do the new features justify the cost? The short answer is, Relay is moving from a single Pro account option to a new three-tiered model: Starter, Grow, and Scale. This isn't just a simple fee hike, it's a structural change designed to appeal to different stages of business growth, largely by introducing paid features like advanced bill pay and higher APYs on savings. Moneybag the new tiers at a glance. For businesses like mine, who use the platform primarily for the profit-first methodology with multiple checking accounts, the main consideration is which plan makes sense now. Starter, $0 per month. This is the new baseline, essentially replacing the old free account. You still get up to 20 checking accounts and 2 savings accounts. This is still a fantastic, free solution if your focus is on simple cash flow organization and you don't need faster payment rails or high automation. The APY on savings sits around 0.91%. Grow, $30 per month. This is for businesses with growing complexity. The key benefits here are smoother payables and bookkeeping automation, including multi-step bill approval rules. Crucially, the APY on savings jumps to about 1.55%. For me, this is where I'd start calculating, do the time savings from automation, plus the extra interest, outweigh the $360 annual fee? My quick math shows that if you hold an average of about $50,000 in savings, the increased interest alone can effectively break even with the monthly fee. Scale, $90 per month promo, $120 per month list. This tier is clearly for larger, 7-figure plus businesses with complex needs. It offers up to 50 checking accounts, the highest savings APY at around 2.68%, and includes benefits like 10 free same-day ACH transfers per month. If you're leveraging same-day ACH or wires often, the fee savings can be significant. The interest break-even point is higher, around $70,000 to $75,000 in average savings at the promotional price. High-voltage key feature changes and my take. The most important changes for current users are in the payment features and interest rates. Savings APY, this is the most attractive part of the paid tiers. The jump in APY is a clear incentive to upgrade if you hold substantial cash reserves, especially in the Scale plan. Faster payments, same-day ACH and domestic wires are either cheaper or included in the paid tiers. On the Starter plan, you'll still pay $5 for same-day ACH, whereas on Scale you get 10 free. If you frequently need fast payments, this alone could justify the Grow or Scale price. Invoicing and bill pay, the Grow and Scale plans introduce advanced tools like recurring invoicing and better expense management. If you're currently paying for a separate service to handle these workflows, the Grow plan could be a cost-neutral or even cost-saving move by consolidating your tech stack. Thinking face my final recommendation. For most small businesses, the Starter plan is still a fantastic, free option, and if you're happy with your current non-automated workflow, stick with it. If your business is growing and you're spending noticeable time on manual bill payments, or if you consistently keep over $50,000 in your Relay savings accounts, then the Grow plan is likely a smart upgrade. For my own business, the automation features and the interest boost on Grow make it worth the cost. The Scale plan is really only a necessity for those high-volume, high-reserve, or multi-entity organizations. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.